Hello Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Taurus, pauna mensahe ninyo. The way forward is open. Ayan, kaya siguro meron na naghihintay ng mga opportunities and possibilities right there, no, sa entrance ng path na to, para suportahan ka sa kung ano man ang inyong gagawin, where you are heading. So, there are possibilities and opportunities right there na naghihintay. At sabi din dito sa card ni Archangel Michael, I will guide you to personal and spiritual freedom. Kasi maaaring in the past, wala kayong kalayaan na gawin ang gusto ninyo, wala kayong kalayaan na magdesisyon para sa sarili ninyo. Pero ngayon, there are various opportunities and possibilities that are there para tulungan ka, suportahan ka na makapagdesisyon ka para sa sarili mo at mag-move forward ka sa buhay on your own. Okay? Get your power back. So, kaya pala, the way forward is open because talagang you are really going to break away from that restrictive energy. Kung ano man yung nag-hold back sa inyo, tatakasan nyo na yan, iiwanan nyo na yan, and you are reclaiming your freedom and reclaiming your personal power dito. Sabi dito, you have forgotten who you are. You are a child of the divine, so take back your power. Okay? So, you are really going to be victorious sa ngayon sa pagbawi ng inyong karapatan, Someone new is coming, Taurus. Maaaring meron ditong bagong relationship na papasukin kayo, lalo-lalo na kung kayo ay single. Sabi dito, an important new relationship is on the horizon, so open your mind and heart so that happiness can enter your life, So, not necessarily na love and romantic relationship lang ito. Maaring yung bagong relationship na to could also be a new friendship, 'di ba? Na maaring dumating sa buhay ninyo. So, good luck to that. Trust your angels. Magtiwala lang kayo, Taurus, sa bago ninyong journey. Sa ngayon na kinukuha nyo ng muli ang kapangyarihan ninyo over yourself, magtiwala lang kayo sa inyong mga angels because they are there, to guide you, to support you, to protect you. You just call on them. Not siguradong nandiyan yan, sasamahan ka. Okay? Let go of your expectations of how your dreams will come true. Trust that heaven has a perfect plan. Kaya magtiwala ka lang. Hindi lang sa inyong mga angels, pati na din sa divine plan at pati na rin sa Panginoon. Okay? We have your prayers are being answered. Napakaganda naman, Taurus, Pinakinggan na, narinig na ng divine universe ang inyong mga dasal. So, kapit lang, Continue to work on kung ano man ang inyong pinagdadasal para nang sa gayon, pagdating ng divine timing, yan ay mangyayari na. That is going to, to manifest right before your eyes. Pinakinggan na ang inyong dasal. As soon, ibibigay na yan sa'yo. It may not come in the exact form though na hinihingi ninyo, pero, ang bottom line dyan, mangyayari kung ano ang best para sa'yo. Ibibigay kung ano yung inyong dinadasal, maaring hindi lang sa forma na gusto ninyo, okay? Your prayers are being received by the divine. Answers will come soon, although perhaps in forms you didn't expect. Be the real you, Taurus, be the real you. Ayan, your greatest power comes from being who you truly are. Don't let anyone sway you from expressing your authentic self. Magiging malaya na kayo ngayon, magiging malaya na kayo. So, you already have that opportunity ngayon to express the real you, to show the world, kung sino ka talaga, anong totoo mong kulay, 'di ba? Anong inyong mga kakayanan. You're going to start living authentically sa ngayon na wala nang kukontra sa iyo, wala nang magpipigil sa inyo, This is you na you are going to be transparent na sa ngayon, and you are going to be powerful na in your own way. What else? We have angel number 888. Ang swerte ninyo sa ngayon, Swerte ninyo. Karma is also at play sa buhay ninyo ngayon, Taurus. At balance will be back. So, napakaganda kasi magiging maayos na ang lahat. Mababalanse mo ng lahat ang lahat-lahat sa buhay ninyo. Finances also may improve dramatically sa ngayon dahil maraming blessings ang paparating. Success, magtatagumpay ka sa ibang bagay, and maaring pati ang success na to could also be financial success. Merong wealth, so may kayamanan na paparating talaga, no? At what goes around comes around. Ayan, kaya laging we make sure na laging mabuti, laging positibo ang gagawin natin para yun din ang bumalik sa atin. Look at this. Very powerful. A lot of money is coming your way. Holy moly, Taurus. A lot of money. Hindi lang ito pipitsugin, kundi ang dami. This could be a massive amount of money na paparating sa'yo. Fortune refers to more than just monetary and material success, no? Yung swerte hindi lang sa pera o material na bagay, hindi ba? Kundi pati rin sa relationship, sa kung ano-ano pang bagay, no? Not necessarily na pera lang ang swerte. So, sabi dito, if you don't appreciate the people in your life now, you won't have them tomorrow. So, this message encourages you to take personal responsibility and use it to realize your greatest potential. New beginnings. Wow, 0909. May mga bagong sitwasyon, experiences dito na magsisimula sa buhay ninyo. Sabi dito, there is a great chance, no? Na paparating. There are opportunities coming your way as well. Sabi dito, look out for an opportunity that might be a game changer. You are completing something major. So, meron accomplishment, no? Kaya pala may success kayo kasi maaring meron kayong pagtatagumpayan na dito, matatapos na endeavor or kung ano pa mang ginagawa ninyo. It feels good to level up, close the old chapter, and new adventure will unravel. Yan. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.